Now, the star of the show is the iPhone Air. We have been waiting for this for years. It's always been in speculation, but it is finally here. And you know what? It feels like a feather. It feels like air. It is thin, and I can't believe how sleek and beautiful this design really is. I love the grooves. Like, once you guys get your hands on this, you're gonna see how incredibly light, thin, and beautiful this device is. We have a dual fusion 48 megapixel camera, so we're getting a great camera, a pro performance in a small compact device. This is the thinnest and lightest Apple iPhone we have ever seen, and I'm so happy to have my hands on it. It is super thin and light. My camera is even having a hard time focusing on it. Let's compare how thin it is to other things I have right with me. This is how thin this device is compared to my pinky finger. I'm not kidding, it is as thin as my nail. Let's see how thin it is compared to a bobby pin. Yes, I'm literally taking a bobby pin out of my hair. Let's see. What about with my Apple event badge? It's as literally almost as thin as my ring. My ring might fall, but look at that. What in the world? So not only did Apple launch new iPhones today, we got new accessories. Okay, Apple, with the swag, with the drip. This is our little side strap. It's cute. It's minimalistic. This is our iPhone Air. You guys know at Dub Dub, Apple had new hoodies that obviously had to snag, but now we're getting new bands, watch straps that are really pretty, and this is pretty sick. What do you guys think? Not only do we have this new strap and bumper, it's not a case, it's a bumper. We got a brand new MagSafe charger. You guys remember the old MagSafe was a little chunky? This one is thin and light, just like the iPhone Air. And there we go. Fits perfectly in there. We're charging, and honestly, that's not even heavy. Plus, if I wear it like this, it's pretty sick. I don't know. I'm obsessed. Is the iPhone Air gonna be my daily device, or am I gonna use the iPhone 17 Pro Max like usual? We're gonna have to do a comparison. What do you guys think? Apple really put pro performance and pro battery life into this tiny, thin little device, and it feels durable. It feels good in my hand. I don't feel like it's just gonna fall, anything like that. I'm so excited to review this device, day in the life, all of that for you guys. So make sure to hit like and subscribe.